All right, I'm Chris Bicunle from IBI Healthcare. This is Dr. Victor Escalante, and as a good friend of mine who had years and years of reflux, regurgitation, and just hiatal hernia. He just had his hiatal hernia repaired yesterday. How do you feel?
Very good.
Awesome.
I think I can fly today too.
Yes, you can.
And I'm feeling very comfortable, and my body and everything is good. I have breakfast today.
Very good.
And I'm feeling good.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure taking care of you, and I hope that I will be seeing some very good news from you in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Can you say something in Spanish to our Spanish customers?
Okay. Conozco al doctor, tenía muchos años sufriendo de ácido reflux. Tengo de cirugía menos de 24 horas y me siento muy bien, muy confortable, y por primera vez no tengo ácido reflux ayer en la noche. Ya hice desayuno y me siento muy bien, listo para volar a Miami.